Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Taurus at sign, and this reading is from May 5th to May 15th. So this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see what happened in your connection past. Lot of cards are pulled, but I am not taking. So let's see what happened in your connection past. 7 of Cups, 9 of Cups, Judgment. Definitely in past you are their wish fulfillment, and I think you person have a lot of options. For some, definitely for some you both are fantasizing each other, and there will be also reconciliation is happened already in past. Definitely you or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see what happened in your connection right now. Wow, definitely your person is very honest and very good man. Definitely he want to offer stability to you, but right now he may be stuck due to some reasons. But the Magician, I think it is you manifest this person in your life. Definitely you manifest this reconciliation and you manifest this connection in your life. So your person, near future actions towards you, Taurus. Ace of Pentacles. Wow. 10 of Pentacles. You or your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Lot of earth energy. 3 of Pentacles. Yeah. Definitely your person want to offer long-term commitment, many years to come. And 10 of Pentacles, stability. He want to offer stability, long-term commitment, and he want to work on this relationship with you. Definitely. So definitely he want to offer this commitment to you, Taurus. So let's pull some cards from universe. Queen of Wands, Wheel of Fortune, 3 of Swords, 3 of Wands. Definitely you both could be living long distance relationship, and waiting is going between both of you. Definitely in past there is separation between both of you. That's why already reconciliation is happened between both of you. Wheel of Fortune, things are turning in your favor, and lot of passion is between both of you. You or your person could be Sagittarius, Aries, Leo. Definitely your person now want to come together and offer long-term commitment and working on this relationship with you. Definitely. So this is very positive reading for you, Taurus. Definitely things are turning in your favor finally. So this is the reading for you, Taurus. Hope is written to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.